First, turn off the original car power disassembler. Split the seat belt. The seat is electrically adjusted to the front or end. Remove the 4 screws holding the seat. Be careful to align and raise the seat. Convenient for subsequent construction. Remove the side panels. Unplug the seat power plug. The whole seat comes off. 2 small words: insert headrest. Lift up. Remove the headrest. Remove the backrest. Buckle down all the buckles in turn. Unplug the original car. Remove this screw holding the side panel. Pry the left and right sides with the skid board. The seat cushion is separated. Buckle down all the buckle sleeves in the back sleeve. Remove the airbag screw. Small word. Unplug the airbag. The backrest is off. Separate the original car holster. With a sharp knife. Complete separation of the whole heating wire. The seat can be constructed in the same way. Gently remove the original car gravity sensor. Tear off the wall stickers of the sports sponge. Tear off the original car heating and repaste it on the sports sponge. Tear off all the wall stickers. Put the original car's gravity sensor through the reserve hole. Spray glue. Stick it in the center. In the same way, just stick the original car heating wire on it. Holster cover aligned with sponge position. Fix with Martin first. Intermediate drum strip. Generally, 3 rivets can be used to fix it. Use a knife to cut the position of the reserve airbag. Put the airbag through the sponge airbag hole. Turn the holster over together. Organize the position of the leather case against the sponge. The other side operates in the same way. After turning it over, deal with the specific details. The leather case and felt must be aligned and tight. The seat cushion leather case is turned over first. Fix the first bone strip with Martin first. And then the lower strand is fixed with Martin in turn. After fixing it, press it hard. Press one hand on the inside of the holster. The other hand holds the felt all tightly. Then turn the holster over. Pay attention to this. The position should be close to the felt. Stuff the sponge in as much as possible. The other side is also tightened in the same way. Scroll down. Plug the sponge as tightly as possible. The leather case is pulled and patted with local folds. Local detail processing. Hold the sponge tight. Tighten up and there are no folds. It's flat on the car. The position of the bone strip is not flat enough. You can cut off the excess cotton on the reverse side. But be careful not to cut the sutures. Martin fixed the left and right cushions and wrapped them up. Plastic front cover inserted into headrest lever. 2 small instruments against the plastic front covers on both sides. Pull back gently. The steel pipe can be slowly lowered. Put the airbag of the original car into the airbag bag. Tidy up the ones with sockets facing down. The wrapped backrest is directly stuck into the plastic front cover. Note that the sponge must be stuck in place. Then remember to plug in the airbag. The screw position opens a small hole by itself. Tighten the screws. The leather case follows the card position of the plastic front cover. All cards are in place one by one. When buckling the clip, be sure to pay attention to the smooth side of pulling. Side buckle. Folded rearrange the sponge. Pull and slide. Be careful to pull the sponge out a little here. Pull the straps from the front to the back as well. Unilateral airbag is not full enough. It can be directly stuffed with cotton. Pay attention to adjusting the full form. The seat cushion is also stuffed with the sponge first. Tuck all the leather under the seat until this position is level. An even position border plug side pull. Buckle up this big button. The side clip is also buckled. The exposed sponge is wrapped in it. If the innermost piece is wrinkled, pay attention to adjust the position of the sponge and leather case many times. Adjust repeatedly like this. Stretch it. After straightening to a satisfactory state, just fasten the side clip. The side panels are also aligned and stuck. Organize the fixing belt under the seat. Buckle up. If ventilation is installed, split the clip in two and buckle it up. Tighten the side plate screws. The silver buckle is stuck on the back plate. Align the card position and tighten the sides of the head first. Adjust it. Align with the clip position and tap to tighten it. The backplate of the original car is aligned with these two positions. Press the steel pad down while fastening up. Hook the back plate. Headrest sponge buckled on plastic headrest. Put the headrest leather case in first.
Use a rocker to stuff all the edges into the card slot. Gold clip on card. Alignment position fixed directly. Same with the label. Use the gold clip to locate the card mark. Press it down hard and clamp it tightly. In this way, the entire seat is completely installed successfully. Note that if there is any problem, adjust it in time. We'll definitely do better.